Hello you guys, today I'm going to be transforming myself into Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. What I'm applying right now on my face is the Mirror Paradise Face and Body Makeup in light blue, which since I've never actually done any full real transformation or I don't do any body painting or go heavy on my makeups, it was interesting to find out that this product is actually activated by water, so building up took a little bit longer than what I anticipated, but ultimately it came up to be what I think is not such a bad job. So now I'm going to be contouring my face with a Blue Yay Away Morphe palette in the color Sky's the Limit. And now I'm deepening the tones under my cheekbones with the James Charles Morphe palette and the color Cola. Because I was trying to find a happy medium between the shades Cola, Capella, and Sky's the Limit, I went back and forth with a little bit of the paint to kind of soften the edges and make it a little bit more of a smoother transition. eyes, I'm using 3 shades, and it's with the 2 same palettes. From Blue Away, I'm using the Celeb Status shade, and from the James Charles palette, I'm using Playground and Hello. For the highlighting portions, as well as enhancing some of my features, I am using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb, as well as the Kilowatt Foil Mint Mojito, just so that I can kind of like add a little bit more shine and make it pop. Here you can see me retouching different areas of my face, and as well as trying to fix with the black eyeliner what the NYX liner did. On the top right corner frame, you can see me contouring my collarbones, and I'm using the same shades. I just keep playing with the same colors to sort of kind of like make it more bluish type of skin tone. And yeah, to accentuate those areas, this is going to be showing through the dress. For the mascara, I'm using the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Through this video, I reapplied the mascara a few times, as well as adding to my waterline, the Fenty Beauty Although here you can see me highlighting my collarbone and adding some depth to it to make it look as bony as possible, I did forget to put these stitches that she has around her chest, but perhaps in the next video. For the lips, I'm using Laura Paris shade 464, and I am not going to be applying any setting spray because again I have body paint and it's activated by water. And after a few hours in and a lot of cleanup to do afterwards, here are the final results. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun. I didn't think I was gonna be able to put this through, but look at this. Yes. I wanted to do like a quick video of the transformation before I actually went to like prepare for the actual main event, which is the main event, which is gonna be me going to salsa night. I keep on looking at my teeth before I go to salsa night, which is gonna be tomorrow. And hopefully I get to dance without much of the painting going away, because since I'm using this one right here, it's activated by water, so every single time that you do actually put some water, I guess, or sweat, I guess, like water, sweat, kind of like both the same. So it will be interesting to see how I come out from that, but in the meantime, here it is. I think I did a good job, so you know what I mean. Alright, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Ibis Love. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the bell button if you want to get notifications every single time that I upload a brand new video. And of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. My name is Ibis Love. I hope to see you on the next one. Ciao.